Ladies and gentlemen, this is Aditi Ghosh once again on Inner World Revealed, and in this vlog I'm going to revisit the life path 1 once again. But that's not all. I'm also going to talk about the combinations of different birthday numbers for the life path 1. So if you are a life path 1 or are connected to someone with a life path 1 in any way, this vlog is definitely for you. And I'm planning to cover all the life path numbers like this from time to time. This is an excellent idea suggested by one of my viewers, Binoy Patra, and I'm very thankful to him for this wonderful idea. If you too have any such ideas or suggestions for me to work upon, you can definitely share them with me in the comment section, and I'd love to work upon them if it is feasible. Now, without wasting any more time, let us quickly see how you can derive this very important number, the life path number. If you already know how to calculate this number or derive this number, you can definitely skip this portion and go to the next portion where you can learn about the characteristics of the life path 1 people. The timestamps are provided in the description box and also as a pinned comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, let me tell you that there are 2 ways to work with the life path number. The simpler way to work is with the single digit base values. The complex way, on the other hand, is looking into the double digit codes. If you want to derive the base value for your life path number, it is a very simple method, and we are going to work like this only in this log because we are not going to make this log very lengthy by working with 99 double digit codes. So what you have to do is you have to simply add all the numeric values in your date of birth and then reduce them to a single digit base value. For instance, if your date of birth is 12th of February 2003, you're going to add 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 and get 10, which further can be reduced to 1 plus 0 equals 1. This is basically the number reduction method, and this is how basically Pythagorean numerology works. We always reduce every compound code, every multiple digit code into a single digit base code finally. Now there's also another way which we use while deriving the double digit codes. For more accuracy, we look into the double digit code as well, and that's the method that I've followed in my book, because out there we're working with all double digit values for a detailed look into your blueprint. But I'm not getting into that much of details right now. Let me keep it very short and simple this time for you to understand. So simply what you need to do is you need to add all the digits present in your date of birth and reduce it to a single digit base value as I've shown. The birthday number has to be derived in the same way. That is, if you have a single digit birthday, for instance, if you're born on the 6th of any month, say suppose, then you are a 6th birthday number. Now if you're born on the 15th of any month or even on a 24th of any month, then again you're going to be a 6th birthday number, because 15 and 24 both are reducing to the base value 6. So before you watch further, make sure that you know your single digit birthday number or the base value for your birthday number, and also the base value for your life path number. Now if you feel very confused, don't shy away from commenting below. I will help you with this basic calculation. If you feel very interested in Pythagorean numerology and wish to delve deeper into the subject, check out the beginner's book All Is One, written by me. Now let us quickly see what are the characteristics or what are the traits of a life path 1 person. So the number 1 is basically the number of the creator. It is the number of the leader and the pioneer who travels this path alone. It is a path where one has to find his motivation and his driving force from within and stand against all the odds, and often he has to stand alone. It is the number of self-confidence, creativity, innovation, and also independence. With the life path 1, a person is made to learn about the importance of making independent decisions, but often it is seen that during their early life, they often struggle a lot to find their self-confidence and make their decisions, and they also have to guard against a lot of insecurities. There's always an inner voice within them which says that they are not good enough, and often people with this life path keep on going on and keep trying to become better and better without even realizing how good they already have become. With time, the Life Path 1 people learn to be more innovative and learn to be more out of the box and more decisive, and also become more emotionally stable. They realize that they are not the ones who are supposed to follow the crowds. Rather, they are supposed to strike out alone and become the leaders ultimately. 1 is the number of focus and determination. And determination gone wrong can lead you to impulsive and rigid behavior. It is important for the 1 people to keep an open mind and also listen to what others have to say sometimes. One can have his own opinions, yet also be receptive to new ideas. Also, one has to be aware of the direction of his journey and see the bigger picture. Now let me get into the combination of different birthday numbers with the Life Path 1, and we have birthday numbers from 1 to 9, so there are going to be 9 combinations. You see, many people can easily make vlogs on the meanings of different life path numbers from 1 to 9 because that's the basics of Pythagorean numerology and that's the easier part. But what is more complicated is deciphering the meaning of the number combinations, how the numbers interplay between each other. And each one of us has almost all the numbers from 1 to 9 in several areas of their blueprint. What matters is how you read these combinations. When we see a number coming as a life path number for a person, say suppose, it may or may not even be a part of his or her basic persona. But if it comes as a birthday number, it surely becomes a part of his basic character trait. So let us begin with the birthday 1 and the life path 1 combination, and let us see what happens when we have birthday 1 coming with the life path 1. So when we see birthday 1 coming in combination with the life path 1 in a blueprint, we can immediately say that this is going to be a very determined and a very enthusiastic person. Such a person is going to have very strong opinions on everything and is going to be very forceful. He's going to be very efficient and very focused. This person will not even shy away from quickly taking up responsibilities or taking up the charge of a situation. This person will also have a very clear mind and will be quick with decision making. He will be very direct with his speech. Negatively, this combination can lead to a highly impulsive behavior without any diplomacy. It can also lead to a short-tempered nature and the tendency towards becoming too rigid or stubborn with one's opinions. Now let us come to the second combination, which is the combination of the birthday 2 and the life path 1. And when you see this combination of the birthday 2 with the life path 1 coming, you must know for sure that this person is surely not what he or she appears to be at the first glance. You know, the life path number basically is something which is not fully visible from the outside unless it also comes as a personality number, or say suppose as the attitude number or the birthday number. It is something which is a bit hidden, while the birthday number is something which represents the visible qualities. So when the birthday number is 2, the person is surely going to appear to be someone who is very submissive and who is very friendly and non-threatening and also non-competitive. But when the situation will demand, this person will show tendencies towards competing and will also take a stand if needed, and the person will also be able to show some iron will and determination as per the demands of the situation. So 2 coming as the birthday number with the life path 1 makes this person become like a complete googly who is very difficult to understand. Basically, you don't exactly get what you see, you don't exactly get what is in the surface, But then, this 2 adds the right amount of softening to the life path 1 by adding the right amount of diplomacy. Now let's come to the birthday 3 and the life path 1 combination. So when you see this combination, this person is basically going to be very highly creative, very motivated, very optimistic and jovial. This person is also going to be very uplifting with his speech and the usage of his words. He's going to be very innovative and out of the box, because both 3 and 1 are indicative of very high degree of creativity. This person is quickly going to see the positives of a situation and jump into it, which is an excellent quality in many ways, but one also needs to have a sense of direction and has to be a bit realistic. All in all, when a person has this combo, the person is going to have a lot of gravity, and with that, he's also going to have a lot of charm, magnetism and charisma. So there are times when you may tend to think that this person is not much serious about life, is very carefree, casual and relaxed. But thinking that would be very wrong, because you have to know that the life path here is 1, which means life is going to repeatedly be putting him in situations where his self-confidence, self-belief and willpower will be repeatedly tested. So that brings me to the birthday 4 and the life path 1 combo, and when you see this combo, you must know that this is going to be a very disciplined, very systematic, realistic and methodical person. This person would love to work towards his or her goal by following a proper strategy. This would also be a very hard-working person who is going to be very serious and responsible about his work. He or she can be a constant worker who is continuously wanting to go ahead step by step, non-stop. The birthday 4 coming here is also going to subdue the impulsive qualities of the life path 1, and it's going to add the element of level-headedness. And also it is going to add the element of getting into the depth of any subject of interest. There can be a strong degree of determination, as the person is not going to give up quickly on his or her subject of interest and is really going to dig deeper. Negatively, the same qualities can play as stubborn and rigid behavior and also some kind of resistance towards accepting changes. This brings me to the birthday 5 and the life path 1 combo, and when I see this combo, my immediate reaction to that is this is definitely going to be an extremely independent, free-spirited and a broad-minded person. This would be a person who cannot be chained or controlled by anyone. Restrictions or constraints will not be able to stop him, and he's going to be showing a constant need to free himself and establish his individuality. This person is going to be quite creative and innovative and is going to have extremely quick grasping powers and also a very high degree of curiosity. A quick mind coupled with the determination to grasp more and more information is going to take this person to great heights of success. However, the person can be a little impatient and impulsive and may get bored easily, as his intelligence is going to be so high. Therefore, this person will be very open towards experimenting a lot and also very quick to jump into new ideas and conclusions. Let us now come to the birthday 6 and the life path 1, and when I see this combo, my immediate reaction to that is that this person is the manager. He knows how to do his work and he also knows how to get his work done by people. Strong determination here gets balanced with a fine sense of diplomacy. 6 out here adds warmth, friendliness, kindness and sensitivity to the character, and it also softens the extreme masculine qualities of the life path 1. Superficially, this person may not even appear to be the doer and the go-getter and may seem to be a person who values relationships more. Or perhaps this person may seem to be a very loving, caring, homebound person who's more serious about his close ones and less serious about his ambition in life. But you'd be totally surprised to see how much you're proven wrong when this person is going to be dealing with life situations that come up. He's really going to show some strong determination and willpower. As I always say, the life path qualities take a lot of time to surface. They only surface with life experiences, but the birthday number is always visually there. Let us now come to the birthday 7 and the life path 1 combo, and whenever I see this combo, my immediate reaction to that is this person is going to be very intense, very philosophical, and also highly different, unique, and very deep. He's going to be very out of the box with his viewpoints and ideas. So this person is going to appear to be very, very different from the crowd. And because he's going to be so different, he's going to be so aloof and withdrawn, unable to bond with most people around him. Narrow-mindedness or shallow superficialities are going to disappoint him, as this person is going to prefer natural over superficial and subtleness over loudness. This person may also tend to maintain an air of mystery or secrecy around him. He'd be quite difficult to read, but if you observe his actions carefully, you'd be able to guess that he's actually highly focused and determined. His decisions are going to be balanced with an excellent eye for details, excellent concentration levels, and also high observation skills. Now coming to the birthday 8 and life path 1 combo now, and whenever I see this combo, my immediate reaction to that is this surely is going to be a business combination, because the birthday 8 out here surely ensures foresight, business sense, high energy levels, and also being very strategic and planned with one's approach in life. And that gets further strengthened by the strong driving force, enthusiasm, and decisive abilities that will be created by the life path 1. So when these two numbers 1 and 8 come together, it definitely indicates extreme determination, leadership skills, a very controlling nature, and also abilities to build very strong strategies. This person is also going to be very straightforward with his views and with his speech and opinions, and he's going to also have very strong opinions. When he's going to set some opinions, it will be very difficult for him to change them. With that, he's also going to be highly competitive and also highly calculative. For this reason, rivals are also going to get created. Now that brings me to the final combo, which is the birthday 9 and the life path 1. Now this is a very interesting combo because 9 stands for selflessness while 1 stands for the ego or the self. So what happens here is the basic nature of this person is going to be of being very kind, compassionate, and highly concerned about the world around, feeling a strong empathy for the lesser fortunate and trying to improve their lives. But then life is going to create situations for him where this person is going to be pushed to take a stand for himself and care more for his own interests versus the interests of others. He'd wish to walk with all, but life will put him in situations where he might have to walk alone and decide on his own. 9 and 1 coming together also means extremely strong determination. So this person is definitely going to be extremely strong-willed. Also, 9 coming as a birthday number is going to be like a strong connect to the past, to the history. So there's also going to be some kind of a strong resistance towards accepting change. So basically this person is going to have an inclination to keep things going the way they are going or have been going in the past. Now that's going to be all for all the birthday and life path combos. That was the final combo for you. If you wish to understand these basics of Pythagorean numerology more clearly, you can definitely check out my book All is One. The book is available for free, completely for free on Kindle Select. And you can also check my second book, which is called Cycle of Nine, which is based on time correction or alignment with time, which is the perfect numerology remedy for all situations. All the relevant links are provided in the description box below, and also timestamps are provided in the description box below and also as a pinned comment. That'll be all for today. Know your numbers, be your numbers, and make the most out of your numbers. Have a very good day. Bye bye.